Shelli, Annie Park Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California. I am stoked to have you here today. First of all, it's nice and cold on the coast today, which has been way better than the heat we've been having. And secondly, I am making, by request from one of my Instagram followers, 1 bowl, 7 ingredient, chocolate, cherry, almond breakfast cookies. They are healthy, they are good for you, they are packed with good fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and you're gonna love them. 7 ingredients, 1 bowl, super easy to make. Let me wash our hands. I'm gonna show you how I made them. Okay, ladies, we're back. We're gonna whip this up super fast. Now, I will put the link to the recipe down below the video description. It'll take you directly to my blog where you can check out all sorts of other healthy recipes, wellness, beauty, style, everything healthy living on my blog. All right, so you're gonna start with preheating the oven to 325 degrees, and I just sprayed a baking sheet. Now, I'm gonna have my 1 bowl, and I'm going to start with gluten-free oats. I'm going to add dark cocoa powder, which is also very good for you. Dark cocoa powder, I mean, come on, if chocolate's good for you, you like it. But this doesn't have any sugar, it's unsweetened cocoa powder. I also add Flax Seed Meal. Now ladies, Flax Seed Meal is amazing for fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. It's incredible for you. Unsweetened almond butter. Now make sure it's unsweetened, and it's just raw, unsweetened, no additives. We got this just at our neighborhood grocery store that we love. It's called Seaside Market. I love it. But you can order it online at Amazon. Just make sure that it doesn't have any sugar. All right. And we're going to add, for moistness, I know I said the M word, 2 bananas, about medium or large. You want about a cup of bananas. Now I squished these in the skin off camera because I told my husband I didn't want to be on camera like manhandling bananas. I just, yeah, you know how people are. All right, so these have already been kind of mashed in the skin in my hand, and we're going to run a beater through them anyway, but you're going to add the 2 bananas, and ladies, this adds a lot of moisture and it acts as the binder for the cookies. Now I have these breakfast cookies. These are amazing for just like a light little breakfast, because sometimes I don't like to eat a lot before I go work out in the gym. And so this is perfect, and they're also really good for just like a little afternoon snack, a little something after dinner when you want a little something sweet but you don't want to go totally overboard. All right, so the banana, I add just a pinch of salt. Salt is a free ingredient, so it doesn't count toward the 7. I made that up, it doesn't come from any place. So a little pinch of salt. And I add a little bit of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is just going to give it a nice little extra punch. It smells really good. All right, so about a teaspoon. All right, I eyeball everything. All right, about a teaspoon of that. And now all we're going to do is give her a quick whirl. Let me get my blender. Here we go. My pink blender, because I thought it was pretty. And I'm just going to give this a quick whirl. Okay, there you go. All right. So it's nice and blended together. That's what it looks like. And now we're just going to fold in our dried cherries. Make sure also that your dried cherries have no added sugar. Now you'd be surprised, the same with cranberries. A lot of them are made with oil and sugar, truth be told. And even if they're not made with sugar, sometimes they're sweetened with apple juice. No, these are just plain old dried bean cherries. I just cut them in half because I kind of like bigger chunks of the cherries in this. And ladies, like I said, this is super healthy. All you have are oats for fiber, flaxseed for protein, fiber. You've got almond butter for, again, protein and very good fats, and it will help keep you feeling fuller, longer, and it's very satisfying. And then I just folded in the dried cherries, no sugar added, for a little something. And that's it. So I'm gonna fold those in, nice incorporated. And then all we're going to do is put them on the cookie sheet and bake them. Let's do it. for a quick 10 minutes. I let them cool in the pan for 10 more minutes, and now they're on a wire rack, just cooling for a couple more. Okay, these are legitimately delicious. Chocolate, cherry, almond, no sugar added, gluten-free breakfast cookies. You can keep these in the fridge in an airtight container for a couple days. If they last that long, they usually don't around our house. So ladies, if you have a favorite dish that you'd like me to make healthier, or just a general request, just ask me in the comment section. I always read your comments. So for all things health, wellness, beauty, style, fitness, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.